Q-Dog. Not only my nigga Q-Dog, but to anybody that can feel me on this one, you know what I'm saying? My Mr. Black Man, meant to be that trouble man, you know what I'm saying? I go to sleep, ask to myself, what am I to do? Where am I to go? Who am I to trust to let my feelings show? Cause nobody seems to understand the trouble, man. I'm in my own world, don't want no helping hand. My mama always told me everybody needs some help to get where they wanna go, but I went with it, so I went for self. I guess it took me to find out the hard way, punching through this game of life day by day. I got to get it, can't quit it, sticking with it, cause I done put myself all the way in it, and ain't no bagging out now. Life is too hard, I got to stay down. I remember back when it all started. I'm gonna wake saying bye to the dearly departed. My homies, niggas that was closest to me, dead and gone, what a sight to see. I took it in like this, life ain't nothing but a challenge, trying to have fun, live your life and dealing with violence. That's how it is in the ghetto, where I reside, ain't got no other place to go. They got me locked down, handcuffed, strapped. I'm trying to make it through the system by singing my rap, but now I'm in court, they got me raise my right hand. I swear to tell the truth and nothing but that I'm a troubled man.
Sure is rough.
I swear to tell the truth and nothing but that I'm a troubled man.
Sure is rough. Sure is rough out here.
What is it about? What is it to be? What is the plot? Can you tell me, G? I'm having troubles, but I know I got to work with it. I got to keep my head straight so I can deal with it. Cause one day I know I got to step off. I got to make my own tracks, cause now I'm my own boss. That's when the trouble set in. All of a sudden on myself I want revenge, but that's a sacrifice that I gotta live with. But when it comes to my business, I gets it dealt with. That's why I'm speaking, cause it's all good. And for the rest of them troubled men and folk work and in my hood, I'm coming through the game slowly but surely. On the cool, but on the cool I know y'all know me, but that's the name of the game I play to win. I'm fighting for the world and fighting against the pen, but once again I take that stand. I swear to tell the truth and nothing but that I'm a troubled man. I swear to tell the truth and nothing but that I'm a troubled man.
Sure is rough.
Gotta shout out to the funk and funky time. Shit, shout out to Dallas All Sides, ATL Productions, we in this bitch putting it down. Don P, G for life, we for real, already.
Sure is rough. Sure is rough out here.
I got these battle wounds planted in my chest, from doing dirt, putting in works, and my boys put the rest. And this that thing we call a game. Hellified way to live, yeah, ain't it, man? But it's real and it ain't no joke. Cause when you born in this world, you gotta take your toast, and deal with what's going on. Get you an occupation, get paid, and try to stay strong. It's up to you to do what you gotta do, no matter what the troubles that you go through. And if you think about it, it's like that. I'm in the country, surrounded by people that hate black, and that's that one strike against me. And that's that one strike that's bringing all these troubles to me. But I'ma stay down and fight it, Cause on the cool, I'm trying to get my people back united. I'm staying true to the game. I'm a blessed young nigga, do what I wanna do and having things. Plus I'm a troubled man. All my life I've been a troubled man.
Shorty is rough. Shorty is rough out here.
Put your hands in the air if you feel me.
Shorty is rough.
I say put your hands in the air if you feel me.